So peeps, many Jamaicans are now up in arms. Some are very disappointed. Some are saying that they feel a sense of betrayal since the news has surfaced that Buju Banton's first concert after prison release will be held in the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. You understand? So some persons are not taking this news so well. But is this as big as some people are making it out to be? Some people are saying Buju sell out, but it's a case of business and it is royalties over loyalties. You understand? Or could this be a strategic move for Buju to keep Jamaica yearning and building the anticipation for his first performance in Jamaica after his release from prison? We are going to talk about it a little bit.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Before we get into the discussion aspect of the thing, I'll give you some perspective. It says reggae superstar Buju Banton's first concert after his release from prison will be held in Trinidad and Tobago on April 22nd, 2019. The announcement was made aboard the Love and Harmony cruise on Sunday night by Jody and Banks, a member of the singer's marketing team.
We're officially doing our first concert event on April the 22nd, 2019 in Trinidad and Tobago.
Boom! Damn, y'all lucky. Boom!
There were no details on where in the Twin Island Republic the concert will be held. Ebanks reportedly said the dates, travel schedule, and all the other variables came together to make the April show a reality. A concert will be held in Jamaica at a later date, she said. However, this development has left a bitter taste in the mouth of many Jamaicans, as some Jamaicans are questioning why Jamaica wasn't selected for the first show. What the ass, for real? That is a big disrespect to Jamaica. The man should perform backyard first. Zane, said one person. Buju's real name, Mark Myrie, is expected to be released from US jail on December the 8th, where he has been serving a drug trafficking sentence since June 2011.
You know, it's teach them the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
Buju, however, is no stranger to Trinidad and Tobago, having performed there many times since the beginning of his career. That will be little comfort to Jamaicans, as many Jamaicans will be very unforgiving of this and they will be very upset. You understand me as a piece? But at the end of the day, I mean, Buju Banton would have had a lot of time to reflect. I'm sure he would have many offers, and in his wisdom, in the wisdom of his management team and the persons closest to him, they have decided that the first show that he wants to do is in Trinidad and Tobago. Why? Only Buju Banton can answer that question, and I'm sure that question will be asked of him many times as the interviews come after his release. Some persons are shouting disrespect, some persons are saying a sellout thing, but is it really disrespect, and is Buju really selling out? You understand what I say? Because that is one way of looking at it, but another way of looking at it is that I am sure whoever the promoter is for this event in Trinidad would have pulled out all the stocks and would have convinced Buju and his team that it is financially lucrative enough to worth his while, and probably all the other offers don't match up to that. So that is one thing, you understand? Buju would have been away for years. Buju would have incurred a lot of legal expenses, and I am sure monetarily this offer would have been one that is substantive, and then decide say that them a take. You understand? So the people when I say I sell him sell out, you know, it's just basically royalties over loyalties at this point. And then there's another chain of thought that is saying Buju is keeping the Jamaican population hungry for him, making them yearn some more for him, building the anticipation, building the desire. So whenever I decide to perform in Jamaica, the turnout and the anticipation will even be greater. So that is another way of looking at it. But whatever the situation is, my greatest happiness in this is that Buju will be a free man come December, and he's a big man and he is free to perform where he wants to perform. It's a bit sad that him not perform a yard first, but it is what it is. You understand what I say? I mean, the man decides say Trinidad are the best place, so Trinidad are the best place, and I hope the show will be successful and Buju make some money. You understand? Because we know Buju have to perform a yard eventually anyways. See, but people, let me know what you think about the situation down in the comment section. Do you think are disrespecting this? Do you think say I sell Buju, I sell out the thing? Or you think Buju decides say, here we go on, me just keep yard annual, make them anticipate some more, so when we do road a yard a problem, you understand? So tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Gargamel, big up yourself. It's not an easy road, innit? This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.